na maybe the real obewe we did the social media. When it comes to saga, more the real obewe, go baby winere. Once I get in winere, even though na doctor appointment, I will cancel them. Even though na doctor appointment, I go cancel them. Talk less of when it comes to be waiting can consign me, and I will any measure. Isha. If I don't feel call shake grant for my own matter, which person matter I want can shake grant for? They make it be na ne man. They will need me about both rich and poor. They will need me about if not be only one person why I know say yes, she love me genuinely. The rest waiting I see for inside. If they conspire since to betray me for under 1 minute, they're not the reason I say this girl was once a good person. The normal madam overnight, which I don't really care. Thanks for joining, my lady. If you know what, thanks for joining. Good morning. Please, my people, more than share this video. I want to listen to video what Bobo Pikin do yesterday. Yeah? Like I said, I told you guys, say, children for the lies way lie. Yeah, I'm a bug baby. And Ebony amu baby. No be say joke. No be say rake. No be say boast. Grand we mi otoniana mwe bogbian. Imi ake ebidio ve. Don rat. Atoku wera o bono. Wera o bono era bere. Era was a wetopu we what bo we vehi. Imi hamu wena we. Eke ni mi ana mwe bogbi we. Ebidio ve. Iha koyiwa. Ebidio ve. Iha koyiwa. Ya ikoyiwa ne. Every time. Every month. Iha kolebe. Anything he really like ya prophesy you win. He said, Queen Ami, they put like for your thank you, Mama. Thank you, if you know. Thank you. Thank you, my personal person. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate it. Your support, the love. When I miss it, they share the video, okay? One, I think what we are boking. Era bego de. Waka bo wa wina ni ma. Mi aka mu wewe. If you no see it, ni me na yo boss to do tawe. Aye bo gebo. Mi aka mu wewe. A star afiye wediye. A destiny afiye wediye. Ume mi rokpa. Ovi okan ofin. When we need tama wena. You think you can come online to lie? Why the lies? Say the truth. Talk the truth. You know nobody they feed you. You too, you know they feed any. We might feed the good for better feed them. But why the lies? I see video where you do yesterday. I the night I tell wash and finish. Because I was very busy. Now, no say me, if I ready to do saga, once I finish my video, I go around the whole platform. Any slight post or video or one thing, when I know, say, I go get interest for, I go pick her immediately. Because it's all about me. And so I say, it resemble me. I go pick her. Metam wa, ina wa men wa sina. Imate oni mwe. But for you to think you can use me to do a scapegoat, nothing ye go. Because you had me a page you wear. Then ye join no raw, ye gogbare the same society. And wa ye joy don't prince or ten wahin. Why you were conspiracy in a war? Wana ido atavi bay. Agbo buwa. Akbo hun buwa. Tuwa ohuwa. Ebonu wali ohori no yatie otemetai osweni eboni. I'll go see whether I will remember that voice note. Ebonu wawenu oni yatie. And that native daughter was a friend to my brother. Abu wa mai wawa boy and the Nigerian Association. You don't know they have association. Wa sweni ebo kekan. Una sweni ebo matene we. So ebo we na tene o manonya eboni. Otime, ove ta mimewe. Ime bege waga silu pangolo ye video Facebook. Yan waya ti e but me ma be ze yu wa erunda. Ama we mi odo, I dan mi odo. Nye ti o ti mene. Yan bo ti me guane. After oya mwe bo temena ti me. Ona we nyano muta. Ina woke. Ona we ge bonu koni ya tie. Ona swe ni o ma no nye boni. Ona we tamame we avec keva tinyi. We ge. Ona we ni tema tamanyi. Ona we my vakba. Ore mana. Ona we ni tema tamanyi. Ona we eni no kwo na tahiana. Nye winye gidi gome. Mene do agbinye. Dinye tambe ma. Dunda a mwe bogboma. Ana mona gboma. Onaka gboma. Otemena we ni tema tamanyi. We di me geli we gbe veri wa. Ina we me. Ina we brother ma we gbe veri oni. O wusho. Ina we ma we gbe veri oni. Owoke. Owoke. For my brother to call me to ask me that question, I know what my brother will do. I know the kind of family where I come from. Don't play. We might not be rich, but when it comes to a ball, just leave one for us. Now me know they do they pack those things, they cover face, when they use them, they do say no. If I can't find your trouble, you go do what you won't do. Even though you go swear for me. I not get anything to do. I not feel even back and come out for body. Thanks for joining my lady, Emata. I not feel even back and come out for body. I not feel do anything about her because why? Now me do you bad. But you see when I'm not wrong, you want to drag me physically and spiritually. You are playing with your own self. You are a dark boy, a uyaku. No be joke. No be say talk, no be say rake. You are playing with your future. Why am I saying all these things? Because of Don Prince. Don Prince. Otime kahate mwe bogbuwe. Epishian we viola dianvereni. Otime akate swa ban yu wenye. Ado miere bana. Uki ori logwe. A family man, ma mwe bore gbowan. Uki, e ma mu gbowan, uki. Wari agbon. Igba gwene nu wari agbon. Ole lwere. Uki. Even say children will come and enrich it. Ware 70 years, wa yoyowa. Ware 40 years, wa yoyowa. Wa kiarugbo, wa yo biegbe. Wa ne biegbe. Oni uki. Ura wa yo toveri ama. U ya san yu wa. U te wes mi pu no. Oni uki. Amwe gboe. Ami o bo ma wo. Ave mu we yogo bo yogo enwe. No. Uki o logo. Awe bona mu gboe. Nari anusi. Wa ize zo. Ami o toy e gboe. Ma oge boni. E boni ma mu gboma. O bonu we ya nu we. Okwo no bu we. Okwo nu we mai. Okwo no tami me we good money. Me ya re ogo. Because in yon. A life in an agenda, nobody is perfect. I mean, that's only what got to oge. Inya wa bi awesi. Amiemeso nere wese but eti to oge. Amiemeso ewi yobonowa nyori ne yobose. Amiemeso wari enerie wabe no enwe. Emuguga amiewa gbona. But ogo wona ime ewe ogona we good money uya ge ogo. Then ogi seken waje wanima evene anything ya sunu. The only advice you people can give this lady, wawe no tieba, wawe no tieba, wawe no wonona, wawe no de nene police station, wawe no di no pa. with no tangible or reasonable evidence. Wana gele wafi webe no yatamu wane do gele yasun emata. Wana suwa yenevu. Make I see whether I will remember the name of the juju where my brother said they go swear. Me no, because me I not even the Nigeria talk less or say or me or time me or we get bono no honi yatie. Cause or wo honi or made the mistake. Ebony bo me kweku. Ebony bo me kweku. Get what it call at the con. And the bonny. Iyamana ya senyo. Iyamana ya senye bonny. Iyamana dictate fast. Ni ya ve ladian ni ya joe. Ni ya wemi. Ni ya senye bonny. My people. Evenje. Wa muyo mwari eki. Evenje. Wa da do masigo. Na de game so. Evenje wa dadi yo mwari eki. Even ave age. Wa arole do masigo. Because I have said all these things times without number. Oma gu wa wadi. Oma atema gboma wa. Oma na atema tama wa afi we he get weti wada we don't have what's so special about we ulelo ma was we only big men friends in the media. Big women friends, do you know how many? Ave do aka na we afianya gbegbe. Ave do aka 1 2 3 4. You understand? Wana ko suae wani mai ne bo evie wani mai ne bo wa wani mai na tie bo wana suae. They come, my people. Make I listen to the name where my brother called her that juju. Mona wait to. Mona mi share o. Mona mi share o. Mona mi share. I don't listen to the voice note. Bonny ohan gbe Don Prince Bonny no woni ya tie ni wa ni gba we conspiracy ni Bonny hian gbuwa Bonny ohan gbuwa no be joke uwa manarede ya Bonny gbuwa ni nu wa ya zo Bonny gie wa we mata ita wa be jemere Vosere Bonny evine Bonny gi wase ore udo bama ore wani gbare ni ogwo wa soto wa ya wa no mo bowo no wa mo bowo Bonny gbuwa di ni Bonny ogbuwa di ni They come. And people, I will soon hear the place. And one may I call the name of the juju for now. Bonny ya tie ne gbiyan. Ati Bonny o ma ese too much. E gbas bo sariyan pakbo. More as he coming to follow. More. I just they laugh. Okay, take go. Why they laugh? Because of this thing. They come and say, okay, take go. Why ya ye ko my mama? Ya amu ebo. Na igo kwoni. E wa onu wa gbezi en wa e. Igo go no guname. Igogo no guname, my people. Now they say they go swear. Una they hear? I don't know whether I call and where, but according to Igogo no guname. Now they my brother say they go swear. Hey. I dey tell una say, aye bo get bo, una no dey hear word. We are me la video na do time we am a pastor. Abu we fi we ni me na la video do atem ata ute we go atore. Abu we te we atore, u pe me hian de ni evo. Mwe no se ni na atore. Because we ni meje ina ofedoma, o mani na tie bomi to se. Eboni ya tie igogo no guna me na they say that they call am. Igogo no guna me because they get money. Ina ya tie bo when you know that you are guilty. Why will you do that? Who you want impress? Who you want impress? People when see they do native doctor, may they go check the history of that juju. Igogo no guna me. I don't know whether I call him, but now waiting my brother call him. My brother is a badass obo. This one not be say obo. Era or way obo. He may not get she right way big like us. I don't fear bo. I don't bale. So kon le ranviri. I don't fear wo gun. I don't ya befen bossy palo bemi ya yo. My brother is not like that. If you see my brother, or you don't give for. But if he tell you say, give me nana, you feel your stand for the front. You go tell you say, give me. No be say he don't even know you before. He go tell you say, give me nana yasu, yasisa. If you tell you say yasisa, you don't need to give a shishi. He not go tell you say, come give me 2 naira. Oh yasisa. At the ring road, you'll see all those beggars for them. If na Kasan, go share for them. If na Loka, go share for them. Now so it they operate. People know. That is why it's where my brother know people. When they say no people, he know people. Or no one. Now so people still know one. When me a don't prince get on your swap ban for that to even bring a picture come aside. Or when you are more and don't preach and mug ya zenvoso. Ya mug your mababe manime kwe varia. O ye mwerizo loko ya kaban yo hun. I me tell and say, brother de buko. Ejo. Social media no. Ve no tu le ria tu le le. Iya wa ve guoro ye gbe no he. Iya ve guoro ye gbe no he. And he can still later find out, say, my own grandfather, na teach gbogbo work. My own grandfather, yon ma gbogbo we na ya fi ya yon ma gbogbo we na ya we boy. Don't please, don't prince, abina don't rat, abina don't chicken. Then you think you can do something to a person of my personality, both physical and spiritual? Ohun you wear or to me. Ohun you wear or to me. Or see, when my brother come call me, come tell me that time, say, tell me, say don't prince ya sa guy or to me no. And so she can't obtain. I be idiot na be betray dana udana. They we my ate wana do we gbenai. Now he can't describe his papa for me. As he can't describe his papa, bobo, na apprentice, no vehicle le ran liri. Now I come tell my brother, say, okay. Because my brother come tell me, say, you know, good, we would drag ourselves. Now say, aye, emi now say, don't press aye. When he can't get, because of, say, waiting happen. All of una see everything where it happen for this social media. They plan so hard to make sure say investor enter his house. I will say they restrict investor for live video for almost 1 week. A bit 2 weeks. Almost 1 week. Now even me with investor wife married to the live video you una don't forget. For those don't priest conspiracy with EVA where they control say the meeting where the investor, they say investor gossip, he meets where he day for day. They can't carry those audio where VA can't they play. Not be VA get that video. Et don't prince or VA recording ya give ye. Where VA can't they play. Why was he doing all those things to bring a no get? The same and no get platform now when you go they shamelessly. They go they sit down. They say he gonna quit that show. Okay, they too will succeed why I'm with platform in Bocho. Maybe that's the con restrict investor that I say no con live video for some time until they investigate this matter. Who will get succeed when I'm a platform in Igboto? They can wear in a yatation this grace where they can wear him wear a disgrace in a bola where be like me like bedam care to priest. Why in my frustration we are yata? You people are who are investor man why you know you people all see or get investor will let get or get 10% you know. That is the truth. I know say not the year. The play they play with you now 10% play because he know the plan. Am I why saga? Any saga no good ye better boundary when it wana zo igo rene wana zigo ne kwa amami no wama just to bring it down or it's a 6 months ya e that's a platform e we depend yi no ana me gbelikian e ne kwemu obogbuwe. Can't you build your platform? Can't you build your platform? My people, the lie where don't priest lie say that woman they pay my rent. That's why I want to play a video. Make una listen. When somebody, that person will go give her that comment, say, Queen say give you 24 hours to bring her those receipts. If you not bring her come, she says she go swear for your children. Alright, or when my play, I may not be like say, and they use mouth till they talk. It don't please when he made it, they go out. He said, me not calling for saga. You where you call me for saga. Waviye joti me saga. We magi ye me a quidi bombastic somebody. Who will ita me we mati me the saga. Ita mwa for not to even involve me. E matana. Aya hi guy. Aya hi saga you wabo. Waviye jo me se no confirm the matter the social media na. Ogun beluwa. Wa pay jizuwa. Wa pay tasia. Who na lawyer to for this media? Why I serve anybody? Me, I don't serve people. I don't pay my dues on this Edo cyberspace. Thanks for joining Bella God. I've paid my dues on this cyberspace. Yeah, divine. In your born your wire, divine. A boy David of my son. Where pay dues where? When a betrayer. When no show give a koto. When no good platform will give away. Do you have a good name on this media? A video me ya advice where my beg me sure you know there. Go and watch that video. It made me a vision where video ni. In a when investor buy a meet you wanare. Investor akba don't prince where ni na ya lamity. Where ni na ya la emaga ekwe hengu wore miti ni ya te be lao. Oge mata. Oge ta. Me mame tamu we say video. Ina when we know where investor ya by a meeting you are going to the next person who are ya the next who are ya solo man who were the same meeting. Gele o ma say investor pa ma say 2 weeks. Una so asaga ke. Nu wa ke to gbu e wa gun. No gun gbu e wa gun. Ibate China no wa de no ya ke. Una la ja ku we ko vi yoba ni. You know say woman talk to woman understand. Ye de dova o bidan ya agbeya o e kin ori kon stage we ko ya mu je ladian. You don't know me. Mo FBI social media na. Go and ask me. O FBI social media na. Again, imi amu je ya yerigba. Iri agolowo. E bisugu ya gbalije do mufuwa. But they say a social media na. Somebody say, let's say quick calm down. Hey, where did the stress? Where did the worst stress? Our somebody now our exercise. Our sound your sound very important because all those type of person we code now you need to the sweat. Very important. Ye one more for the banya. Il la betri agbame be ale salu ya weto me. Ya weto me no die start day. Inya here when me enjoy start ya yebe popori ya yebe dize ya yebe jukmista. Ime wa we start when we Christmas ya yebe jukmista. But you see don't praise mama joy. Ya wa menya here. Yes. Yeah, but on that before when me our video to this here where ya video ya me wa bu o ni o te ya ze me ibe gun we yo because he make it ni here a heart of a rest or see me where we are calm down but at now I'm free like a bird. I don't please our bijou abagbon ogun agbiju e no adota mami e no sense you no woman no adota you want by do say no they see my saga don't praise now you dey the enter my platform for day life. Now you, they said they enter my platform if I day life. You call the form, say, you know they see my video. You know they see my video. A critation or when not that go saga, don't please me, large, and not when name, picture where you know, what better, what bijua. We for Latin, nado, go with street again. Ogie silo. Ogie silo, ladian. Wabun, where wagbon, where I enjoy. Joy a betrayer, the Judas of our time. Joy is a betrayer from the pit of hell. Joy, you know, society. Society, no la, donna me and so my people, let's listen. And please, guys, a justice in here seeking is for their own selfish interest. On the real justice. Even the woman family. Even the woman is a Don Prince now, our own beautiful queen. Okay, Don Prince now, your own. Don Prince remain my enemy to the end of this social media. I don't like him. If you not like him, go and tell him to work on himself. He's a greedy and a useless. Oma greedy be man like eh. Oma greedy be man like eh. Oma no as in. See what the Don Prince do now. After he tried to carry investor go his ass for this media where all of us see. After he tried to carry investor, claim he saying they fight for Monica. He do all those things finish. He not even reach 4 months. He go back to that same platform. He go back to that same platform. I know how many times Don Prince don't try to do saga, to do video, to cause quarrel between Querita and investor. I know how many times. He go say he want to talk for matter. I remember matter where he talk between Yore and Blessing CEO and he can't put investor for there. He want to talk. He say Querita, they always they support. I call the looker. If investor call into that platform because me that I be already even invest. But when investor come call into that platform, investor talk maturely. Because maybe na that day, the whole saga for even start. Who for Kosan? Now this Don Prince na wa bera wa bije wa. Na him for Kosan. He do that video to cause problem. He want come talk, he come write and come and say, as he comes, he say, Querita with investor, like people come, they say, hey, people come even they analyze the video. People come, they analyze the video, they go say, hey, they go so far to even Monica people carry out. Querita with this one go so far to Querita, investor go so far to. He can't post her, say, na he reach to cause quarrel between two presenters. That is the reason why, even because of that one, for her to get that kind of spirit, he no go ever for his life come close to me. Me, if I hate person, I hate you forever and ever. Forever and ever. Even maybe I feel not get you for my though. I feel not the if you like kick out, you no go send enter my nose. If you like do party, invite the whole world, you no go see me there. Igbagbenwe forever. That's the kind of person I am. That is why I hardly offend people. Maya offend those. If to say na me, things when you do investor. If to say na me do investor, that kind of thing, my people shame not go even let me enter investor platform again. Even if I need that beggar for the whole media, shame me gume lava. Person where you carry mama go loco how many times? Loco. For something where we say, he no even offend you. He no look for your trouble. Why am I people go say, Queen, why are you always talking about investor? Because I wait to make the priest the verse for me be that. He say me na insist, me no con join a beat investor. He don't talk, he even report me to my own brother, Kpakpa. Which he know. Me and he know. He reports me to my brother. I have the evidence. When they talk, say, me will be sister. Me can go to join somebody, they beat her. Me go to job person where they do bad, they beat her. My brother can tell me, say, why me they do that? Now tell my brother, say, don't preach on down on the social media, no other person. He said me they support bad people. Now tell us, say, now you be the bad people for social media. The only thing I can do for you is not to insult you. But don't even cross my path. Face where you face. Everybody, they face where you face. We can never be friends. He wanted me to be close to him. Made me with a call they do wishy things as him with Mama Joy, they fly so. And now with all this. There are some people where you go to follow waka. Where they commit evil. To the estate where you can love ever soon. Eh, want give you battle as if you gama. Vio yo do vie mi ayaku we here over. There are some people you may go with now, so you will take a dream. Me, I don't need that. I don't need that. Ena huero no sojina. Ne vena la hun like be. Ona is shamelessly like that. Na queen, the woman say not forgive me. Now me go forgive her. Now me go. I don't even need that forgiveness. What am I going to do? Now me go forgive her. For what did she do me? For betraying me. Now she begged me to call her my godmom. To support her. I do and finish now. She still come online. When people they use her and drag me all this year, she not talk. She can't see come online because they say me they a queen even want me a queen in it. Oh my God, so mommy. When make me go able change my platform to Queen Mommy Talk Show. Now don't forget. But for Isa house now she begged me to come and call her mommy. Not be even said they call her the mommy sir, so it was on social media when I tell they fight for this woman. When I tell they tell people, why not they saga my grandmother? Why not they saga mama? Una they mad? Una be bad people? Una be this? Now she come talk for live video. Whereas she begged me sir, may I call the saga? Okay, if she not tell me say me call the fight for her, why did she agree with me to come and call her mommy outside? Why? You don't care if you and the person isn't really good. I really love that about you. Thank you, my person. Thanks for joining, Mama. Love, thanks for joining. Una they get me. She do the tea finish now. Now they talk say, Queen, una the crest. Another truth where they said on Prince video. Mama Joy do one yesterday now. And my talo Dory. Another one does come for you. And I make me go bring this video. Come. Make her play and for now. Make her see where first. Make nobody follow them. Do their justice where they do. So only them do their justice. The family talk yesterday. The brother wife talk yesterday for TikTok. The brother wife said nobody sent any presenter message. The only thing now the family they request for anybody where the woman give money, where he shop the woman money, you not talk and come outside. Nobody here say you shop that woman money or who will not book money. Or can bell or money. Now that's where that woman come. Now the family come the sue now. And that's where goes to Mama Ego brother. Ego koni ya no go and ya latia. Then with other presenters, where you know say they shop this woman money, they call the form say amami ebunume, inya call your bulk you know. The woman say for not to come out. Or who will not book will not have book. The video day. I go so they play the video. Thank God say even before we call every day. If you buy me slippers, I don't say buy me slippers. If he anything do for me, I don't already use and sing. Okay, me no even get problem with all those ones. Wait. Man, seriously. Wait. I don't want to go where for talk about me. Oh, I want more to listen.
You will not say, you will regret what you make you know also. You will regret.
My mama kept you they talk, so I want my hear where they talk my own.
I don't want to get people with the support them. All these people that they see so they get one of person with the support them for corner where they bless them with money or anything.
Why you now can't make I will start to the analyzer for Yawa Biju Awagun? Una hear what he talk for them. He say he no get any presenter for this live video where nobody they support. Where no girl who they give them, who they bless them for corner. So why my own can't they pay all these people? Why? The veil will like be mama with your body quick make I on my Bluetooth. Thank God I charged yesterday. Leone. I do not go
Bluetooth mode.
Me no be where we are ya we are ya. It is if they talk I go they look you. Ogun agbera gbe you e. Wa biju abagun. Wait. You call the talk say me. I even say make I keep mute because I know say if I hold now. Why team a frank or bokba or beva or even half leg why team? Una no go fit. Frank now don't they turn the table now. Momo I was war. See useless people now wait come out for justice. A Frank they turn table around there now. Frank already they put her for their head. Say now they buy the woman. Why no? No. Mama mi otene buwa for wana wa mi otoma. I can't be for nana. Somebody this we say I vex for Don Prince for mentioning your name. He no agree talk how much the woman give out. Na yena wa we birthday na we mi yana. They do birthday for her, do this one for her. Ye matoge, he get interest for what they do for Queen. A Queenie, the woman give me something. I always talk her. Before person come me say, I can't tell me say, not be you born me. They tell me say, make I can't be your pikin. Me I can't tell me they say, I be your pikin. And thank God, they don't connect. And you say, why you not go talk? What it concourse? What it reach there?
See, Edo people are few. I call the talk truth.
Now they talk. Wait a matter no good.
They tell me say Edo people are few. Call the talk
more listen to them.
Agimi no temata. Agimi no temata. Ema tagiwa logo nata. Agimi no temata. Ema tagiwa logo. Ema tagiwa logo nata. Agimi no temata.
Okay.
You bully this woman to back. Now you want to from Mama Joy head.
No be only Mama Joy head he put on. Frank also put on for your own head. Or who waviye joy. Or who wagbo una. And if they say make the trace and where, na truth it talk. Yes. This woman there with us for how many years? She have been watching saga. The saga where Frank saga, I don't reach the one where he veer with attitude beat her. Why she not by that time? Because we know they send her those videos. We know they send her those videos. She know they wash her. Even when she'll call me say somebody, I'll tell her, I say, no wash. I will go and watch the video for you. Now what I tell her that time? If you tell me say Queen, I'm not watching my baba now. Yeah, we viet about me will do iwe worry. Ya wa do wash ya worry ya wash view. Ya do analyze the bunny reply that the work book where wash. Oh okay, Queen ya we be. She will confess her work. Me now when she go tell me go wash view. Me why call la YouTube be why ya refi me wa. It's a queen, why you come they join Frank Omonzo Undana? Where Frank Omonzo Undana they always they insult you for his live video all the time. I know they join Frank, my lady. I know they join Frank, but I'm saying the truth of what happened. You understand? I know they join Frank. Why? Because I for not even involved for this matter. I for not even talk put. The reason why made they talk put. If people when me vote say okay. Now we or maybe okay fine. All of us want to investigate what by this woman. They can't say they won't use me to do a scapegoat. I will carry the bitter truth where they don't want hear. I go put her for their head. I'm not trying to defend. Me and Frank not be friend. And we not go still be friend. Yes, it go day my day. Me and I not be friend. But you see these people, for they to come outside to think they can use a woman of my personality to come and use me to do scapegoat, take over money where they mama go account, mama go brother account, make that money no come outside. Make people no know because say that they benefit from the boy now they add me, I go, you see that bitter truth, eh? I go put ham for their head, he got kind, yo. And many niya we ya see, he make ya mwe. Yes, also palo mami wo dede ori to enyi kwa rofen. Edi awiya se. Then yana to ta yana we yana do gbin justice. No ko ni ya do e go move wo wa ni ma yo ne ma e na nia. Ade ma o jejeje. Ama my business e ti gwa we saga. Forget say I sit down and carry camera. I can be displaying jumping up and down wo wa na. He have your body ya. No, he am say he can waste energy me yo. But anyway I go position a camera me na. Eri aya me ya. Ameni ya winya hasi imekanga mwe. Because that's your money the problem in me. If they for no you put my name. Because really the woman not put my name. That is the truth. A Don Prince or the enemy yo. A Don Prince or the enemy yo. Imi lema kame Don Prince iwe. Don Prince. And many we are see the social media na many queen ti ha mwe and many decanter or decanter da when we equito show Awabera. Do you know why people love me on this media? Do you know why people support me on this media? Do you know why I've been so useful to a lot of people on this media, both rich and poor? Because I'm a woman of decency. I know the lie for person head. I don't do my saga with lies. Why don't you make with scapegoats? I not even talk for this matter because I've heard the look now. As soon as they drag Frank with the drag Guna, una they do na justice, I will just the look now. But for you to think where I the enemy yawning, where you I don't even if there will be a justice, it will come from another better person platform where no go call my name. Only award the enemy yo. If we are a justice in your buffalo or for what thinking. Iya gbeki justice in your bo when you waviye joy bona. Because I already know that waviye joy uwadiho igo no tiye go ganuwa igo no wona mu ya kanto tiye go no we ya love in Nigeria igo ni ewa ma ona mi otoe. Something one are supposed to they fight a back. Now say me they vomit that money, me they bring that money come outside. You not because say na that iye go brother be your admin. Agbonu na gbonu. Then mama joy. No sungu. Igo gogoro na you kosamo. Ide ya ize mowa. A queen of before is not a queen of now. My fans, thank God you guys know. All my lovers, anybody will come love me, be you anybody fans. I know say other people fans see the way like me. Then I tell una know say I promise you and say I will not go and look for problem. I don't go find trouble. That was what I promised you guys. For these people to blaspheme me, call my name for platform, they lie on me. Now dear therefore call my problem. And a problem me mena. Iya no ke jini motinya. Iya no ke jini motinya. Because if it was me, I will not do that today. Kenoya yo woni we gomoda o, kenoya woteo, kenoga obiera o. If it was me, I will not do that to them. For them to do it to me, I don't need to call the patient. No, I egba sani. Yeah, they very young. Don't know as it be. I know they forgive. I know they do. They explain. I call no. If you do me something, I'll just do you back. Make you as it be for body. Now so my life be this one. Hey, don't please give me a way. A queenie. Yema gumegwan. Umagumegwan. Ibieka. I just the laugh. More listen to the guys.
If you were Kevi, cannot joke waya, moyan wabie, wahengamina mabia wabie.
Now see why they swear for children. This now the series why they swear for Don Prince children. Because Don Prince na person where they cost children. Don Prince na person where they swear for children. Don Prince na person where they saga children. Also, you may not be more but we here, my people. Ni aya we are on Friday because tomorrow we'll get program because of this Easter Jesus. Because of Easter Jesus. Where Easter Jesus? Why una know Easter? My program you know we gbewa we. Eva ayi jirigban awolowo etatashe o ipo ho ya se gbapoko ya blende ya wa ya misemi bami pakwe ni aya mi ya ko esta mi avio me le wadu ke ado okun mi o esta wa no ya collect imami ni ya with your name ave I use and bless other people make they live where they go and where they run wa sungu. He say they plan to put everything on you but God no agree. Thank you Mama Chelsea. And that person call the tell me and say, why? I know they support Frank. If to say they can succeed, so label me wait here and not be call. Eh? My lady say, good morning, Queen, my darling. I told you the day of forget about my sister, the man soonest. Any person that eat or hide abuse money and refuse to say it out will face the consequences. Thank you. Okay, our sister don't come. Thanks for joining, my darling. I know person where they comment so. Our sister don't come. This one, our sister where they say they call them. This one, you don't worry. Please ignore those people. Okay? Now, sister be this. Yes, now sister get this account. Even before this whole issue. Sorry, my love for your loss, okay? Sorry. And life, you know, say now so life be, and God knows best. You understand? And the man and the one bobo, tiya mo so wilele. Ogie avasi na we present us in the no. Ogo da boni awe no ya tie no. Veni que no se de saga gieo. And a don priest. A don priest. Always video. No woni wash. Una go listen just now. A don priest. Always video. No woni wash. O woni mate via wash Frank. O woni mate abere video ne Frank you. A don priest. A Frank you the video on the 7. A don priest in analyze on the 6. A mina sum on the 5. Now Frank, they want put everything for in here. He said, "Queen, please stand for truth. The truth you are saying on your platform. That is why you have." Yes, fan base. Thank you. When the fan base never say, "Oh, you carry my people," you know, God will bless now. As it not they use me they play. I really appreciate. He said, "Queen, please forgive Becky since you were no longer the goddaughter of Abia you were before her. Please, my lady. Maybe anything with a batty Becky. I know the verse of Becky. I know the verse of her, but I just need boundaries. I don't want to be close to her again. O dokpa make we diyan we don prince because if you know they don't prince obo, e already Becky obo. If your payan eva your hand. So I don't want. I know they close to all those kind of people. People when I know say man safety is not. That is I know they safe when I dey around them. Is either they go they record me or they go they plan even about me for back or before person go even buy me for back. They not go fit tell me. You and person they come before the person go they carry juju they swear they do everything. Why you not tell me say Queen see oh? Why you not tell me? You dead there you sit down there. Wait your academy where they go Queen who we ganyo gi me. We no wait take buwo si me. Who wait your anyo we Queen. After na give you ya. Oni mene Queen. Aye boge bobo me wan so who ya. O si evenje wa kan dele yo to wa manado aka. Even wa wo when wa wo ko na e. Evenje wa do adele yo to pa we na we no sipa lo keziki degboto. Evenje wa do adele.
Itamu wa with ate we abere the very okay abewa. Meaka me ime ya digi ka fi wa yu we ne. Abere wa e am picture pe wa ya. Oni karu.
Yo bagunu e. No weke saga e nene Frankie. Umaye mo edi. Nu ke saga e Frankie ye twin. We iguma ye vio e edi we no man ti egbin na egbo e. Do we mo di ona ya gbin na very clear because the property ra bi yan de nu e don prince nu gbe o. Property ra was wo bo. E property ra o ma la o ogu. O ma la o ogu. O ma la o ogu. We are a mefi agboa etu ya ni ke iyan cast we yegbe monu gbogbo biere iyan cast we fo ni mo hotel ni mo gedege vi yan de enu nu gbe o mate gbon re family we family Frank ye din wa gbe unu na o je unu oti a obo unu we na oti a obo wa bo gba yan gun bo te degbe ma so ya ma yu ohun un va wa gun tan
we gbone iya wai o karu we gbone wai wa we gbo abi o wa anywhere wa ri ajo wa ke ga mi na mi o in a bad way wa ke ga mi na mi o wie wa ke ga mi na mi wa van wa ke ga mi na mi wa son evil set of people. See music where Atiti go release 3 days ago, abi 2 days ago for this woman. See music.
Yeah, even we want to platform in the bell. Okay,
Imagine now almost a video where they play so that this man they watch with it back almost of the saga and see the babas with
it. Now she know me that one just follow that place. Me that one just do where she
see the babas way. Larry EJ Kevin, but we were not Jonah. Or the bullying.
We are for thought to me. Gunwe. A picture Kevin kere Facebook or my 2 years in a 1 year fian boy. You just go work when me pass a class who bear only. Emon web of like Gunwe. Emon be of like
we were not Jonah Yak, baby Kevin.
Oh, I define we for thought.
Yalu again agbe. Kevin. Yalu again agbe to the extent. Who me oh don't.
How many minutes are you going because
they be better fans. Small one will be say they not get brain. Big presenter or any who shall be big presenter. Oh presenter shall be not be even one. If you like to come out today, you must see person who will they call you.
Sure.
Go see they bless you. Don't be like the table now. Nobody will tell the truth. This woman is the heart of gold. That is why I must see opportunity.
Oh, it's for Obama, a greediness is better.
That is why
we are most
see opportunity to finish this money.
After we don't do this general saga finish.
You know.
My people. After we don't do all this saga, because me now, I want me Mama Ego brother pack all the property that belongs to this woman. Come out. I want me pack and come out. Now if they send them don't please, may they come they distract presenters. May we not get focus. After Mama Ego brother don't return the whole, I know what that woman wants. She's a billionaire, not even millionaire. All the property where she get for Lagos, the ones with family don't even know. When me their wealth, or Tiego, or a boy, or we're gonna work Frank, or we're gonna work Frank. I can't talk Tiego, and Okona Vigoji. We need all those. If the family don't confirm, say yes. Just say go where? Go reach the grass where even grow for the front of the compound or any property or the land where Mama Ego brother buy for this one. Say they don't pack everything. Ya say babo feni rubabe satini. Iyan claim me yani. They na me go come back for Don Prince. And Mama Ego, I will come hold and say, waiting happen to this lady. And I tell waiting me the linyaku. I go come back, come ask them say, waiting happen to this lady. Who do video where she watch? Which person platform she call into? Why did you allow her to contribute on your platform where it triggered the whole saga? Which business, which role you play for this woman's life? Were you a friend because of saga? Or you were a friend for family, friends? Or you were, okay. Yeah, in your wa. Yeah, in your wa. But me, why? I know what, because if I follow like I do, hey, let's listen. Because I'm supposed to focus on the issue. How you play your video, how not to do the video, how not to do. You see, I'm saying I never focus on that side. On in my way, because this way I've downloaded all of them. On in my way, that will be the last revenge I will do for that lady. I'm going to give her the real justice. Wariye Joy. Video of Mama Joy when me play yesterday. Mama Joy even talk and say, now because of say she and Frank not they play. Now she hold this woman for hand. Till they fight Frank. I did the video yesterday. If you never watch and go and watch it. Yesterday was Mama Joy version. Now, because of say, she and Frank know they play. Now she hold this, our beautiful late sister, as a weapon against Frank. He can't use Frank against the weapon for the woman. Una understand? She was in the middle. If the woman throw come, she go throw and knock Frank. If Frank throw come, she go carry and go knock the late Abiewa. He said, Queen, please tell Abiewa family to go and call Abiewa spirit and ask her question. Then everything will be solved. Yes, they will do that. They will do that. But Mama Joy with Don Prince needs to be questioned. And Mama Joy not even like Abiewa. Because Mama Joy get interest of maybe one day Mama go where they did this society. Make it go marry Frank. Because since when Mama Joy did this live video here, now say, Mama go sleep with Frank. Did you see Mama Joy come and do one single video, half video, shortcut video, 2 seconds video? Somebody said, Don Prince is the one that, yes, you don't talk on, Nyongbe, Nyeviye Joy. They contributed 100%. They used that woman as a money tool, as a working choose against their own selfish interest. Even now, when the lady don't buy, they are now using the voice of that woman to build their platform. A platform they know fully well that it will never grow. A platform they know fully well that even if they play that woman audio from her, we will not for see a person way by. They go they play her voice. Person way don't buy my people. They go they play her voice. Everything will happen was online. People know what to take and what not to take. People know where truth today for this issue. Why still evolving the woman voice? The woman voice now where you they play. Now not see one better tangible something play. Una they play say the woman say, "Hey Frank, they live video. Ukpono jona, ukpomeno, ukpomo jona we ya tie bomé, ukpomo jona." Is that a evidence or is that a tangible something? Is that a tangible something? When they play, they repeat the woman voice. Now all those things when they play, they make the woman feel say she don't do the worstest mistake of her life. Where be say this woman not confident concentrate. Oriona is one affair. Cause he jo aga tenini. Oh what? Are we jo when aga we jo anyway 1 week akbakara muwe. Because he jo is a human being with a touch of witchcraft. We are going to face ye joy. We know ya go no those young with camera ga wall. Kenya ke people snake ba e pakara to muwe. We know why we ugly ni ye joy. Any man asike. Ye joy aga go where he e shocking e yamu yo honi. Especially say na they pretend to not love the woman. Yes na. They even best the way they claim say they love you. They play a voice note. When these people know fully well that it is a taboo. It's against our tradition. Our nedo. Or mano wuni. Udwa akbe voice okay. Even person where don't buy to put the person picture for Saga's video for bullying is bad. It is very bad. But they go put this woman picture. For people where they look, then you feel, oh, that they fight for the woman. And no, they are dragging attention to their page, views. They want to make money for social media. They are using this innocent woman to make money. They are using this innocent woman to make views. If these people really get help, as they claim, why they not reach out to the family of this woman? Why they not talk to the family of this woman and say, my sister, grandma, what one we are going of the evidence is only mao. Genioma, and what nu. My own issue, the family know everything that happened between me and she. No, but talk. The family was even involved. Not be something where they do for their back. They know as everything they start. I know how many times the sister begged me, say, Queen, we matter na. You wa visual ke oyegbe. And this Don Priest, now I go tell the woman many things. So you might even invest. Me too, I lock up because why? Nothing lasts forever. I born, I move on. Then you think now you can come online to label me. When me they help, that's the time that woman was even close to me. Ama me one day, what ya gwali winner. Ama me one day, iho ya gwali winner. Okoni ma gwali winner. Inwina bo. Ti winner bo my people. Walk, Sarah. Walk, Sarah. People where they talk about the business where the woman they do, where they call they talk. If you not listen to when Don Priest they talk about the woman where they work where the woman work, you go see and say na mama ego brother. Now I can use internet till they find work for the woman. So because of say na mama ego brother can't help her find work. So make we leave her and make it shop all the money where the woman make. Because the woman got the work, go work the work, give mama ego brother the money. Is that what you are trying to tell us? For you to come and tell us that you go no work one, you go a boy no gwali when I never set. A boy did not gwali when honey. A boyfriend did not get the love of who. A boyfriend did not get on a bow hand soft. Ne bow hand no more say. Ne bell hobo hand. Where were our weavy gwali when ha no where? Your so-called lover, or one where we were love, or I more a family of one, or Tiego, where they soldier barracking. When me away, if you were away, buy you silly, move at all, Uswaka. Umaka, Ebanuka, Jesagi, we la John, no, you to wire, webere. Oh, be another the Gualimine, a one day me. Eh? Say, Queen, please read my comment. Okay, I will try and do that. Oh, we are not going to win one day, one month walking in me. Oh, we are carrying a phone or your boy are going to win one day in me. Oh, we are not measure who winner. Who measure who winner? I did be my vibe where my man winner. Oh, Tavere no Kasuwa, do boy Kasuwa with Besemo, Dimo Cavere, make Besemo. And there's on the me alum me wukoni, where you know your machine, we are hoy. Because my vibe also any also my vibe jing my vibe when me ya. Abai we okbiane you go yogo. Eje agbo to taye bedi. Omwe laptop you kegbe. We are gwi me gwale winner. Ugwa lopa gwaleva ugwale ha. Mewa we wini ha. We mayiri si na we ege na ke bunere egbe ya buno kwa. Obo ebo we ye kun visa bo aga hiae. Otinye go na wadi ona waya he workaholic. Otiye gona wadi ona wayaki ona yaki workaholic oni okay o ma no wini ha awa pele o wa vuiho o mu ya kan otiye go yen di Nigeria ni ado we marriage ni ado we mi ya vai na miege ogi akwo ho na le do ebia vana gi so why after otiye go that one where you do so, even for you to look for 3 jobs online for that woman, is a domestic abuse. Then when you go. That thing you did is a domestic abuse. Do my way. When Ohama Mori magbe kwera vijwe. When una vi wineha okwo ne 30 years, 40 years. When na gwale wineha ni no winner. No do ya koko we koke twin. Koko we koke twin. Ya e meri edo so ye gbe pada. Iri emi wo buwa. Uwa te dori yego. Meri edo si ye seti whether you wada by we okbe ano so dem ye. Meri edo so boy boy wa gbe ama ye no pade fo a. E uwa na ku meri edo si wa uwa di marry e. After we court marriage. Uwa te we no we court marriage ni. E bo wa e Ebemi ya no me kenome wo Nigeria ovio no one wa die. That was the target. Tu wa my character me do si wa kedi ari e got we marriage. Wa character u wa te wa fi we ora iwe cut marriage ni ne anything the woman get na the man get am. U wa we cut marriage ni ba. Emerie do si ri wa we marriage ni oni na wa viebe ori ewetan. Oni na wa dan fo wa. Ona do gbe we fo ye ewebo. Ewebo mere do si rije wa rita me mere do si we. Ugu modo. When we are fie a court marriage when we order for we o mi oku ove me. Amagbagbe fa. Mere do si ma vie o ma vie property ne bo any dai. Ile bo na ebo oda bo ne bo na mai. Unwe go boni yes ebo na o lukpo boni yego. Ebo na o lukpo boni yego. Wa me ni tana. Mere do si na gbo we lule. Na. Ove ni boy na mu. Evu mere do so ni italo. Gbeso me do aga ewe. Again na. Emi yakwe de okay. Evi no see any mere do si mana me justice. Mere do say la janve no where. Or anywhere way like me they go. Make I see the way they will take and go America now. That court marriage, I not go cut them. I not go cut any property where they get now. Me get them. Me we iya hero. Akwo wa we ladian. Una wana te ye book be one. Who what ye book be we email. So we don't know the side we made those face. Or say only my justice. But iye go watch you. Wa mi ogo kuna. Ona ere go wa mi ekia. E tragedy no esunu da wa ye go watch you. Okbe amuka o me oni na wu. Nu degbe o me ona oni ya na mi ekia. De no tuwe oko no tuwe ka o me o gita lo here the street. Me de dos. O iwa here ni o wa ta lo here yo pare ye. Ba me no mi o but obiye go watch you on that 2 months. Nu po give ania. Agwa le mi no gbe na. Iye go. Me video panu ko pa oni wash. Owo wa jamonka. Owe today. Ori o me do a suspect in we. Oye wa mu we ari amoka. Iye go. Oye wa mu we ari amoka. O wa to tawa. Oye we are wo ma bere mi no sumu. Iye go. Emi no we so. Imege egwe mafia na mi wo. Aoni ya iye go. Anyway, my people. Oko no wa ti mi oda fun kia face to face or we boy day. To ma ve wa be ve, yan me gosun o gbadu e. Ye go na wa bona ofu wa. We ro pa sun. No level. If you get it head, come ask me. Ben agwana. Ere go to ri dade kia gbagbe. Ere go ma mi wa sobu. O te so ade la video. Titi ma ti gbinane. Enene don prince no re muri ya yu gbogbo almighty gbina nerego na me kerego come back na church mama go dey go where my pastor me me dey do say 12 million is with mama ego mama ego brother we yan target target my people. On a joking. Don't let the evil people deceive you. Emi ni ya una iye go what you or do it. Na mi otira bia yuwa. Adu wa bia yuwa muso beluwa. Iko bore na aguwa. Uwa because warere ya boro ego. Iko bore na aguwa beluwa mana ya tame family oren wa yaka. Osalo bo awese ya segbe panty no dem titale ya gbabo. Bo ya emi ya no dem live video na ke no de o ke no ma de live video me na tu ya kwa. Ima vie soleil owa jame o tun isa wewe yin jame. The evidence are all there. Una rio ikobo ohono $100 o mata. $50 o mata. Ike so amu we buwa ya ka give you time in like 2 days wado ya confess. Because a family lawyer time with talk, you know the way. Emi ni ya need the buwa ni hin. Iye go we tota ya ga gbigbi. Uwe tota ya ga gbigbi. Eti awe ni mwe pagbe wa ga ni eti we o. Cause yesa ga ni amu gbu we su mu umudia. Usu agbe. Mame wana ya geba me o eti memi ni awe ye go. Wa wotun unigo oguwa. There's nothing like igo de guwa. Unigo guwa ye go. Wa ladian wa explain we. If ye do me wa ya to. Igo ge no gbima. 90 million o. O tell me how they give family over day Friday. Only me only wa. Or igo ge no gbima 70 million o. O tell me no pa we borrow boy. No pa we wa borrow wa ya. Ke no borrow ke no ma borrow. Wa siye koko. Wa de give family over. Ore nu we do love ya gambioni san go. Do am a very dark man time. A justice in a very dark man sick we Nigeria e ma sick wo we bo. Wa measure we you go no go wa we tun. Wa ya violate. Iye joint ye society cover we. When tama we na e wa eva paso society na la. Ni Ikwobe. Thank you, my lady maso. Ikwobe. Ni wede society na ne presenter. Uwa na mi wata ni deme na wamana ta society ni waje no gagbuwa. Uwa na wen wate matana e mate society. Nu wamana ti ne ye joy if no see no na mwesa gagyo ko na every day by day ya we don please. Society ni waje ni o kyan gbuwa. Uwa mana we seti ladia don ne ye go iye go e matana mai cleo. Why say we matana? Uwa botu an se en we tamima. Uwe miere go kiati tomorrow my tamima. We me je tamima when we miere go kia e mato kona cannot be like a materego. Na mana me justice. This is Sovieto edo sister manu. My gay or okay social media na or bloody. En why tas was one away don't prince be joy. Ni o why man the greediness in Muria. Mele wasu ya so campaign in eba. I go they play, go they show. Uwa do ka. They do cyberspace na. Igo ko ni no guwa. Uwa vie ya lati. Why is your gay family ore? Gie. O se unu wagahi. O se unu. Wagahi. No wage lati. Agbo ya tana we. Woni. Or she was in love with a Frankie. Or woni love the. Love ye go also get Frank. Iye go love woni say anybody. Iye go love a Frankie. Say anybody. Iye go ike moto o 10 million mune Jane Frankie. O ike mote million Jane Frankie love oseva. E love oseva. Uwe bedi nya ivaga jeba moto ni Frank. When I calculate go Tony keke 21 million plus near away Frankie, my people. They know the difference. Amagbada wasoke ni ansele ne Frankie. Uwa re miamia. Nyesa gbada no pana devie. Iye go or wa love Frank say my people. Iye wa ko pretend. My lady say, he said, Queen, please don't stress. And stress. This is my job. I talk for a living. How can I be a presenter? You wait stressing. Wait stressing. Yeah, stressing. I told you to tell my family to go and call. Yes, they will do that. They will do that. Yeah, they will do that. Why when it's amu wana? Very important. Esa gani mama matana.
It come a 2 room and call you down 100,000 room to do my office. This video. Then when I do that 1 room, I come my bedroom.
One of
I'm when I explain. So people don't know what they are doing. Give Quinto show as in they want carry Quinto show go UK. Quinto show never tell you now.
Makara go back.
Quinto show go
Megwalosi.
Now go the stay fake account.
Megwalosi.
Not be to give me 24. May Queen Saga me now.
Okay, Makara go back where for your starter.
So people don't try to use talk to deceive people. My people.
So I will say ask my body response. Make it go along.
For do cyber space. People they watch us. So people don't know what they are doing.
Okay. What are you?
They say Queen talk show give you 24 hours to post the
or expire. No need.
Not be to give me 24. May Queen Saga me now. Queen Talk Show. If you know, say you know, Saga me. I can't bring the...
My people, these boys, since when me don't they beat these boys, or I say 3 days. You never reach 3 days when me don't they beat these don't please. Why they pretend say no they see my video? Your or poeke. The time when they hide, they cut my video, go they give that woman. I tell they see my video. He said, if they want carry quick go UK, now waiting concern you, don't prince. May you wait now. He say UK. Now UK in talk, abi. Me say Canada. My people to go UK and Canada, which one cost pass? Yeah, we will get. Every the meta with social media will repeat it. Ona meme. Ona zuo. Abi not be waiting me talking, they talk so. Me wa mu ye Canada. But I said no. I even talking for live video. Even when the woman they alive, I still talking for live video. Say, nah, me say no. Say, I don't want. It may be, I may marry my people. It may be on my way body. I okay, let me pack my family and go to Canada and be where for her. Eh? Yeah, you say, because me, I dey take time before I go into relationship. Me, the relationship, 2 months, 6 months, 1 year, it's not my thing. Before I date, small what take it, going the way boyfriend and girlfriend with like 5 years. By age, the Medina, UK, do marry. The UK, the Canada. I told the woman, there's no need to rush. Just patience. When I get married, I have children, I will go. Iyo bono ni uwa wese me eba force. Trafficking. Uwa ma trafficking, eh? It was a gift. It was the yobo. Abi, my people. Abi, the president the woman tam webeti me we no borrow vegoa. Ni ya de Canada, abi UK. You said it before. Thank you. Every me wata ya repeat. Okay, he said promise I don't pray, so can I go America? You know they gave me. Okay, let's listen to him very well. Now the best one.
They say Queen Talk Show give you 24 hours.
Did you let me say human being bad for this matter? But don't move no.
Not be to give me 24 hours. May Queen Saga me now.
Yes, ma'am.
Queen Talk Show. If you know, say you know, Saga me. I can't bring the way this woman take carry money, give Queen Talk Show, as in they want carry Queen Talk Show go UK. Queen Talk Show never tell you now. Queen Talk Show go Queen Talk Show don't favor. If they not pay money, we don't take carry UK. When matter me le jabie wa where the UK. I just send you go in wow. Not be you are the sponsor that chop the money.
Yeah.
Queen Talk Show turn him awa. If Queen Talk Show feel come out, come swear, say this woman not spend money for this sponsor we want carry Queen Talk Show go UK before. Make us swear only that one. I don't want to follow on to Saga.
Don Prince. Now let me tell you something. Listen to me. And listen good. It's a Queen Don Prince is watching you. I not say they watch me now. Don Prince, let me tell you something. If to say here, no, they pay you. I even talked this thing 3 days ago or 4 days ago. Now, wait till me talk you, they repeat. I talk for this live video, say, the woman bring that money, big money. She says she won't carry me go Canada. She says she won't carry me go Canada. Now they hear me so. Now me say no. The trip was to somebody go come. I think from UK. They will drive motor. I'm not going to train. I'm not going to fly. They will drive motor from UK. Get the way they say they take the Dua. There is a border between UK to Canada where they say I will cross in a ship. Me never talked this thing yesterday. But I said no because I not be desperado. People feel say quit Italy. Italy no they shook. Italy no they allow me for body. I dey very comfortable because me I be person beside they contented with what I get. What you get not be my business. Where you they live not be my issue. So far where I dey I'm okay. Don't Prince, you say make I come swear. Don't Prince, me now want swear for you now say. The money where you claim, say the woman carry, give person to carry me con UK. You say me dupe the money. Don't Prince, if I really dupe that money where that woman bring come mat, say she want to carry me go UK, make I buy follow Abiewa. If me really dupe that money, make I buy follow Abiewa. Don't Prince. But if I not dupe that money, may you and your children na go buy follow this Abiewa. Abiewa moso tiwa mo. Ire nu wa ele nu wa viole. Uwa moso viole la dian. Adu huwe moso to buwa. Wara wa biye kose no dao. Wara wa boda o senu yeke. Yabata ba seve dag bowe Don't Prince. Uga sungu de mudiano yu bobo. Eroga bawo re na anagboa. You say make I come swear. I don't swear the swear now. Say if I dupe her money, she says she want carry me go UK. Me na do dupe honi. Ni medle lo honi ba Don't Prince. Ewe ma dupe honi Don't Prince. Agbonde egbe mawe. Then rama mi ni si ayu oto. We hiawe mi ni si aye moto. Wa yokpa wo izara. Wa ye va wo izara. Wa ye ha wo izara. Yeki o kan dege. Okposi su kan la. Osisi aya gboa. Uge meet up ile we bonure na. Mabele. Nuke rabagbon. Nuke dupe vego. Nuke we no pa agbon mama we. Because you don't thief that woman money now, your conscience is eating you. Your conscience is biting you. Ugaita, you say make me come outside. Since 5 days before, let me just slap your papa head. Grandma made the video. No gunwa no ton yera hun. No we ya gwan be platform in una gwan e make bu where dey. Grandma beg the video. You say make me come saga you now. Me dey say you know they see my videos. Videos wey be say all bloggers all over the world, boy YouTube. No sabwana blessing ya. They don't share all the videos. You not see even the one when me even do where hit how many thousand views when me do. You not see where bloggers carry everywhere. Even for you to be a view, bobo. Don't preach to mamio. Igu mamio. Where? Unwona uwe amoso wulele. Where? Who amoso wulele. Thank God say na me you dey deal with. Yes, iye church. E boya wo aya ba ti enu oba se ne iwe nwe. Se ne ni anu viokian. Yes. Because una gbuko. Una giko e gbuko. Na giwe na ora gbo ohun. Montam we. Wa gbe wa gbon. Quick can say, so you think since I did this Europe where they style where they so say I want go any country. You think say me personal I no fit chest down. You think say I no fit chest down. Me say 2 years we bo me so your bo we ni. O we e me fian gbo we bo nu je na nu gbe wa gbon. Gbera nu mo ko nu le eji. Tomorrow now as a woman that I am tomorrow now I'll still marry your type. Even don't hear you want me because I get four bedrooms. 4 bedrooms now a day flat. Me no go pack load say me they go wado. Now me go come park come meet me. A woman of my type, a woman of tikiba, a woman of speaking true. Now you will be dirty agbon where they shock inside cupboard for room. Come they talk to me, I be your mate. I be your mate. Finya wo we. Almost a year plus now when me and the woman not they play again. I not dey my house. I not they pay my rent. The waiting me say me you go bring come. The receipt. Okay, the receipt now Don't Prince. Receipt of the money when I do the woman go bring her come out. Man dey receipt in the ladian. Your children have been because people not ya mwe bogbian e bi e kikan ya mu gbian. Because people know they too like children. Swift not. ya ye be mwebo we gbiyan ba me receipt ni do e ka be mwebo gbiyan ni anakwe ebo ni eke ni kan mueji ya ke video veyeva. Go and ask people what they call a video ve. English people that they call them miracle leaf. Go and Google it. Go look the work where they work. Miracle leaf. Ya call yeva. Ya call uhui where call ya dia yo to dey call yeva. Ebeni ya call up bawo. I go pray put out give person. Ya dey no take this paper. Put out for here. The person go bless you to the gele that person go somewhere to bless am. E style the work ya fertilize uhuni. Mi akam we or your bone we hini you be baby. You be baby of your thing when it comes to tradition or herbalist, all those things, you be child. You be of thing. Now you be eri awese. Es me ayi gbere munya. Estani wanu ya wa mi ya viole man any day. O ma hu mi ya fi o pawo iso ni bi we yo ilemu yo itameya ewuhuna wa lu ewe na oga ujugo hi. Unwi bi we ya petrol e boni. Go gora wetin be miracle ya go eri awese eri avio bai madogwa keni aya gbale sele ke ya gbali do mu ya so wa ke ike mi na ni yan agbe wagbon why I not be your mate o I not be your mate. Esa Ghana no gbo ohun lori o boy na iwa you do go carry any of my brothers things post them for your page. My brothers not go rest. They be my blood. They not go better. They not send you. If me ask me this, so if me hold my brother like this, I made my brother. He not go marry me. Go tell me so unu maki ni anaze iwe wa me phone ulawa. And so my brother will talk. So you know if you say you know, go post their brother, post their picture. Now you know see your family, they never see them. You don't pack the comment. They never see them. Or to no Johnny no na mani so we better we ringo gun e vian la diani ni rio body guog nya uni valo honi we gbedeli yan wa bera wa gun we equita show e ke kosa gami ugbe video one they do for you since you never see am for you to call my name agun wa ni yan Frank don't turn the story now put am for una head. Frank don't turn the story put am for una head etu wa who wa me no be me o wa zuwa wa gun wa. That is why Frank always tell you guys, Frank no that one not beside the fact for now because only they know why we so if I see any video, cannot they do for me. If I see video where you see comment, ya why we are did organic boy. He do organic boy. Or in my social media, we are presenters. And before me go, they consider say, ya we die ban kona or ya we gonna go back. Nah, he may why in guitar na fear machine. While your boy what lock up, but I will go better. Me mamu wa gbadu azu odu adu Kevin na Frankie mo you who are we enjoy give no be me o no matter go see una video all over the places they fly panda video wa ya mo ebogbo ko ni no use okuta o no use era o no use uloko wa ma mi o give me mure me never jam my off aside. I never insulted that lady and I repeat I keep saying it. I no go insult her because of old time. I no go insult her because of old time. When I went ya make you here at the end they share my disgrace in la wa gbe any ka na gbo boy agbo ona gbo ba gbo boy you why wana to you wa bie we wana to you wa mu wa meme who wa solo no be me o no my Franco no my Queen o no my Bisugbe o no be me o no be me one for your come out face one no say me my matter no good my own problem no good ezi me ma we gbe we don't preach you not because I beat you for investor. That day your belly you won't display your madness. Your madness is very nice. Your madness is good. Brother, your madness is good, oh Charlie. You see me so me I trespass you. Me I trespass you. I mean one call they follow the time. Nigeria, this one me. Mananika wa me. A well no recognized mad women. Mani wa me loba market iluwo gbele ya ni. Na you. Ime go we na ge. Who ene we bread na fifi amen wa rice. A boy small pikin like you. Of your hand to even uje don prince. Fati voran iri. Gbe o wa gun. E spirit dan se e mo se. Ugbe me ya gbe wa pian. Ugbe me ya gbe wa pian. Wa lori ari wa gbon. Ndon
No, so now they pre-wash all of now where yeah pre-wash you why yeah. It dey pay me say they pre-wash you now. Now no. That is when I was.
Listen, he say they pay now. Say we they brainwash people. He ain't brainwash you why? What the matter? What the matter? What to make you saga go? Only me matter not do time when I do saga. Why have you been fighting a lot of people? He ain't me matter. He matter to agbi. Or if you will go who matter. Ya adi oti ye go. Kuwa ki ye joy. Then why sumana why not ye go uni go no egwe na that one we get interest for no view ya ladia en watana zuozuo na may bring all of the come aside agbegbuwa yebede
for that ground some of them go dey shake there's not some of them go dey shake na see for that ground because I'm not where if I don't see some people on that ground you want big one on that rubbish with platform. That is why they'll see me for no they fear. I may be Don Prince.
See this as well.
Go ask. Make we touch your come swear. Say Don Prince accuse us. Say Lady Abio was sponsor Rab. More not talk the rest. Only this one why you tell us. Say Lady Abio was not sponsor you. Say maybe better you can.
Yes,
tell you say what go you.